How to delete rows and columns. Got empty rows or outdated into taking up space? Let's clean up your Google Sheet by deleting unnecessary rows and columns. It's quick and super satisfying. Open your Google Sheet and click on the row number or the column number you want to delete. I want to delete this B column, so I'll simply tap on it and hold it for a while. There you can see the option of delete. Simply tap on delete like this. It's easy. In few seconds the column has been deleted. Over here you can again see a row is empty and I want to delete this. Hold on it. There you can see the option of delete and freeze. Simply tap on delete. Like this you can delete your rows and columns easily in just few seconds. Pro tip: always double check before deleting to make sure you are not removing important data. That's it. Keep your sheets clean, organized, easy to navigate by removing what you no longer want.